Hi everyone, I'll show you how to replace a back cover on your LG Stylo 4. As you can see right here, all you need just to hit it up all the way around, you'll need to hit it up pretty good. So let's start by hitting up the sides. And then use knife to start from one of the corners, either on the top or on the bottom. Just stick your knife in more deep and go on the side. Don't stick too much and just go on the side. Just move the side so there's adhesive all the way around. Just keep moving your knife all the way around. If you need to use some more heat gun, use it. So it should come off pretty easy. Has adhesive all the way around. So cut this adhesive. If it gets stuck, just try to lift it up the back glass a little bit and move more. Okay, so I cut all the way around, and I'm gonna try to lift it up. Go to the pull on the back so you don't break it. Now you can remove your back glass, as you can see right here. Then you'll need to remove the camera glass and then power button. Just pull it out, remove your camera glass. It's really easy. Here, your camera glass, you can replace camera glass if it's broken. It's pretty much the same way. And then pull it out, the home button. You'll need to take your time on this stuff because be really careful. It's glued right here, so this flex cable, it rips super easy. I ripped on a bunch of phones before. So if you please take your time to remove this part, go very slow on the power button. All you do, just press this stuff and then peel this stuff off and then stick it on your new back. And then same way, just like once you get the new everything installed, just stick everything on the phone, make sure it's perfectly, go all the way around, and then it's fixed pretty easily. It's been replaced just like new phone. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos and thumbs up for more content. Bye bye.